Okay, so we're going to be talking about I today, the sound I. So let's go through these words and think about what combinations of letters or what letter will make that long I sound, kind of like your I in your eye, or I, the letter I, when it's a capital I. So here we've got find, write, write, cry, frightened, child, wild, blight, blind, arrival, sky, fly, spider, myself, identity. Oh, identifies.
Identify.
Identify. Ooh, we get two long I sounds in that one, don't we? We do. So let's talk about what's going on with these words. Let's talk about what's going on with these words. Self-check?
It's actually really...
So what is it that you want to tell me about these words? How are we getting that long I sound? Oops, I'm going to put it right here. Long I sound is what we're looking for. It says its name, right? We hear identify, right? Cameron, can you give me, what's giving us that? Give me a word, letter combination or a letter that's giving me that in one of the words.
In cry.
In cry, it's the
Y.
Y. So Y can sometimes make that I sound. So we've got Y. What other letter combination is helping me? I. Give me the word.
Like blind.
Blind. We've got just plain old I. So we know I can make the long I sound when it stands all by itself. Nice. What's another letter combination?
The flight.
Flight. What would make the long I sound?
I-G-H.
Flight. Right? And that one's a tricky one. I-G-H. Flight. Nice. That was a good one. Are there any other combinations, my friend?
Identify. There's an I and a Y.
Yeah, look at that. Not long there. Yeah. So we have we have Y-I-I-G-H. Any other letter combinations that we see? I think we've gotten them all for this week anyway. There are some other letter combinations that will do it too. Help us make that long I sound. One more? Did I miss one? I by itself, Y by itself, and I-G-H. I think we got them. Something you want to add?
The I and the E mixed up.
Does the E make a long I sound? No, tricky. There is a letter combination with an E that will make that long I sound, but we're not studying it right now. Something else you'd like to add?
Can you move?
Yeah.
I and then go under A.
This one right here?
Yeah. Right.
So, arrive ow. Do we hear? Arrive. It sounds like an I there in the beginning, but it's not. Don't get tricked. Yeah. And you know, that's sometimes why we misspell words, is because we don't pronounce them right. That's a really good point. That happens all the time, especially with people with accents. And people in Maine have an accent that sometimes can make us not say certain letter sounds. So we have to be really, really careful. Hear the difference? Arrival. Yeah, nice. Okay, so I think we've got Y-I-I-G-H. And so when we do our centers this week, we're going to be focusing really hard on that. We're going to be talking tomorrow about words that might rhyme but still have the long I sound, words that don't rhyme and have the long I sound, because that really tripped you up.